$10.
Is this worth $10?
Yes, it is.
I pay him $10 to eat this. Don't touch it.
Oh, he's going at it.
No. It's gonna take a while before he reaches it.
Mommy, are these real?
Yes, they're real.
They're real scorpions inside of lollipops.
Don't break it.
The metal piece just looks disgusting.
Just bite into it. Just
Do scorpions have guts?
Do people eat scorpions?
Yes.
Like the guts? Like when people buy these lollipops, do they eat the scorpion?
They probably eat around it.
No. He's trying to bite around. Just bite into it.
$10. If not, then I'm not eating it.
Hyman, all I have is $10.
You're paying me $10.
I'm paying you $5.
$10.
$5.
Bet.
Bite into the scorpion. Hyman, you're getting paid $5 if you bite into that scorpion.
$5, $10 equal. Check on it.
Wait, Issa, you don't even have $5.
Check on it.
No,
Shake on
he
it.
doesn't have $5.
Check. You offered me $10.
I'm off.
$5.
Yeah,
Shake on it.
you got
All your allowance.
face
You
change.
see the way you looked at me?
He's like, no.
$1.
Issa doesn't have that much. Oh.
You bet him $1 to eat it?
Oh wait, he does have $10.
$5. $5. $5.
Dude, I'm already paying you $5.
Dude, I want $10.
He doesn't have that much money.
$5.
I don't
$5.
think he had that much.
$5.
He spent it on
Are you talking to me? Because
Yes.
I am not going to pay you money to do
$5.
that. No, $5.
He's going at it.
Oh, Isio?
Okay, once I lick to it, that's when I'll
No,
tell
you gotta bite the scorpion. You just gotta bite the scorpion.
And then you give me $5.
Yes, I'll give you $5.
$5.
Oh,
$5.
he still has his $5 right there.
Uh-uh.
Bite the all that's left
Show
is the
it,
scorpion.
Show the scorpion.
Oh, I haven't just bit into the scorpion.
Spit it out.
Oh, you got a
It's in
bone.
your mouth. This is good. What does it taste like? Is it crunchy? Can you taste it?
Oh, this is sugar.
Is it fake?
Show this part right here where it's like
Show the scorpion pieces.
you terrible. You want to make movies?
No.
That is
Janelle, let me see this.
disgusting. You ate the scorpion.
What is that? This is the top of the scorpion
No, it's the bottom.
body. This is like half a body. He bit into half of it, and the other half is in his mouth.
Here you go.
What about $5?
JK.
Yeah.
No, you got you made a bet. You have to pay. That's- and now he's collecting the money.
Yup, he's collecting the money.
And look, great, look, it's sticking out right there. What is that?
Oh my god.
Hey, what about $5?
Wait, touch it. Someone touch it.
It's moving! Just kidding. It's not.
Mommy.
I will sue you. No.
You just
John?
bit it. You just.
He's looking. Look at it. He wants one. Take, give me the yellow
I
one.
know, I'm just recording.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to see the
Let me
lollipop.
show us the lollipop. Why is it so dark?
I don't know.
Why?
Because we want to see it. Show it.
You guys do not have my permission to record this.
Shut up.
You guys,
Let me see it.
you guys do not have the permission to record me.
Juno.
You guys owe me money.
Put the lollipop over here. Let me see it.
Let the camera
And now
see.
you want the lollipop back.
Show it to me.
Oh God.
Give me an extra
Oh
lollipop.
God.
No balls, you won't eat it.
Give me an extra lollipop.
Oh God.
This is what Juno is so afraid to show.
Mommy.
It's a scorpion.
It's a lollipop scorpion.
He's a crybaby.
Can you get me a water, please? Because this is sugary. Can I get a water, please?
Who are you
No.
talking to?
Isho.
No.
Maurice, you want to give your brother a little bottle of water because he's been a crybaby?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have you tried this?
No, I have not.
It's sugary.
Sugar is good.
No,
But
it's
the
not.
scorpion taste. Wait, is this?
Can I say a word once I'm done with this?
There you go.
What do you want to do?
Do I get a free swear word pass?
No.
No.
Why not? Mommy, it takes some to eat this.
Show the back. thing? What is this made out of?
Look, I'm about to bite it. So
It is made of
Scorpion sucker.
I completely missed it. Look.
Banana.
banana flavor. Jaime
This
has
is what he's
strawberry.
crying about over here.
Oh, he almost bit it though.
Now he's
50
drinking a
bucks.
cup. He's drinking a
50
cup.
bucks.
I'm paying you money.
50
You owe
bucks.
me $3.75 for the lollipop.
50 bucks. You bought this. We didn't even go to the option. We said we want some peanuts, and you bought this.
You didn't even eat the peanuts. Where'd they go?
It's all gone, eh?
What's it taste like?
I haven't had it yet. I like it tastes as dry.
Are you really gonna eat the scorpion? Is that a piece that's sticking out on the top? Let me see.
No. Well, it is.
Show it right here. Show it.
Show the camera.
No, it's not. No.
Eat the scorpion.
He's like spitting out the scorpion.
Yeah, he's spitting out
Legs.
the scorpion.
Look in the cup.
You
Okay,
sure
so-
you want this?
Why did we buy this again? This is something that I wouldn't eat because unless I'm getting paid like a good amount of money.
$200.
Then I'll consider
$10.
You could not pay me $10.
No, pay me $10. I'll take a big bite and chew it. $10. I'll take a big bite and chew it. Do I get
Back
to not
on
go to work
video.
then?
No. Give it
I didn't
Let
know
me see
it.
what's on this side.
I didn't know. Oh, that's empty.
Yeah, that's
Let me
empty.
see. Push it over here.
Let me see.
It's not empty.
There's some. Wait.
Oh no,
is that,
it is
it
empty. It kind of looks like a
Yeah.
jewel. Oh, look at this.
Oh,
thing.
God.
Let's sell it.
Like,
Even though it's like.
It tastes so
candy.
bad. It tastes like a dollar store candy.
we paid almost $4 for that.
The scorpion takes work to grab.
How does this scorpion taste?
I can't taste anything. All I taste is cheap sugar.
Maybe they put it that way because if you had bit into it, you would actually taste
It
it.
tastes so nasty. I think I had a piece of the scorpion stuck in my throat.
Oh, he's just biting into it. He's just
You're a
biting
brave
into
soul.
it.